Meow. Lesson 33. Professor Whiskers here with a very important practical lesson. You have learned shopping and restaurant conversations. Now let us learn how to find places, how to ask for directions, how to understand directions. Where is the bank? How do I get to the hotel? Excuse me, I am lost. Can you help me? And understanding answers. Go straight, turn left, turn right. It is on your left. You will see it on the corner. This lesson helps you navigate, find places, never be lost. By the end of this lesson, you can ask where things are, understand directions, give directions. Find your way anywhere. Let us learn directions. Cats have excellent navigation skills. We always find our way home, but humans need these phrases. First, essential direction words you need to know. Heed direction words. Left. This direction points left. Right. This direction points right. Straight. Forward, not turning. Same direction. Back. Behind you, the way you came from. Corner. Where two streets meet. Block. One section of street between corners. Street. Or road, where cars drive. Intersection. Where streets cross each other. Traffic light. Red, yellow, green lights for traffic. Next to. Beside, right beside something, across from. On the other side, opposite, near. Close to, not far, far. Long distance, not close, quick sentences. Turn left, turn right, go straight. It is on the corner. Walk 2 blocks. It is next to the bank. It is across from the park. It is near here. The most important questions. Asking where places are. Ways to ask for directions. Where is the bank? Most common question. How do I get to the hotel? Asking for the way. Which way to the station? Quick question. Can you tell me where the post office is? Polite, longer form. Do you know where the restaurant is? Asking if they know. Is the museum near here? Asking if it is close. How far is the airport? Asking about distance. Excuse me. Most polite way to start. Sorry to bother you. Very polite. Pardon me. Formal and polite. Hello. Simple greeting first. Complete polite questions. Excuse me. Where's the bank? Sorry to bother you. How do I get to the hotel? Pardon me. Can you tell me where the post office is? Excuse me. Do you know where the restaurant is? Practice asking. Excuse me. Where is the nearest supermarket? Excuse me. How do I get to Main Street? Sorry to bother you. Which way is the train station? Pardon me. Is there a pharmacy near here? Now let us learn how to understand when someone gives you directions. Basic direction commands. Go straight. Continue forward. Do not turn. Turn left. Make a left turn. Turn right. Make a right turn. Go back. Return the way you came. Keep going. Continue in the same direction. Stop. Do not go further. Distance expressions. 1 block. Short distance. 1 street section. 2 blocks. Slightly longer. A few blocks. Several streets. Maybe 3 to 5. A short walk. Not far. Maybe 5 minutes. About 10 minutes. Time measurement. Half a mile. Distance measurement. About 800 meters. Location expressions. On your left. It will be on the left side. On your right. It will be on the right side. On the corner. At the intersection. At the end of the street. furthest point of this street, next to the bank, beside the bank, across from the park, on the opposite side from the park, between the store and the cafe, in the middle of these two, behind the hotel, at the back of the hotel, in front of the library, at the front of the library. Practice understanding. Go straight for 2 blocks. Turn left at the traffic light. It is on your right. You will see it on the corner. Walk straight, then turn right at the bank. It is next to the post office. Keep going until you see the park. Now let us practice longer, complete directions, multiple steps, complete direction examples. Example 1. Go straight for 3 blocks. Then turn left at the traffic light. The bank is on your right. It is next to the coffee shop. Example 2. Walk down this street. Turn right at the corner. Go straight for 2 blocks. The hotel is on your left. You cannot miss it. Example 3. Go back the way you came. Turn left at the first intersection. Walk for about 5 minutes. The restaurant is across from the park. Example 4. Turn right here, then take the second left. Go straight until you see a big red building. The post office is behind that building. Helpful ending phrases. You cannot miss it. It is very obvious. Easy to see. You will see it. You will find it. It is right there. It is very close and visible. It is a big white building. Description to help identify. Look for a blue sign. Visual marker to find. Practice dialogue. Tourist. Excuse me. Where is the train station? Local. Go straight down this street for 3 blocks. Then turn left at the big intersection. The station is on your right. It is a large gray building. You cannot miss it. Tourist. Thank you so much. Local. You are welcome. Have a good day. People often use landmarks. Buildings or places everyone knows. Common landmarks. Bank. Everyone knows where banks are. Post office. Common reference point. Park. Large green space. Easy to see. Church. Large building. Often tall. School. Usually a big building. Shopping mall. Large commercial area. Traffic light. Very common reference. Bridge. Clear landmark. Big building. Any notable structure. Using landmarks in directions. Turn left at the bank. It is across from the park. Go past the post office. You will see it after the church. Turn right before the bridge. It is near the shopping mall. Look for the tall building. Stop at the traffic light. Practice with landmarks. Person. Where's the pharmacy? Helper. Go straight until you see a park. Turn right at the park. The pharmacy is next to the coffee shop. Person. Thank you. Sometimes directions are confusing. You need to ask again. Asking for clarification. Sorry, I did not understand. Be honest. Ask again. Could you repeat that, please? Asking to hear again. Can you say that more slowly? Speed is the problem. Can you show me on a map? Visual help. Which direction is that? Need clarification on left or right. How many blocks did you say? Confirm the distance. Is it this way? Pointing. Confirming direction. Admitting you are lost. I am lost. Simple and honest. I do not know where I am. More detailed. Can you help me? Asking for assistance. I cannot find the hotel. Specific problem. I think I went the wrong way. Explaining the issue. Practice asking for help. Tourist. Excuse me. I'm looking for the museum. Local. Sure. Go straight. Then turn left at the tourist. Sorry. Can you speak more slowly? I am still learning English. Local. No problem. Go straight. Then turn left at the corner. Tourist. Thank you. Turn left at the corner. Local. Yes, exactly. The museum is right there. Tourist. Perfect. Thank you so much. Now let us learn how to give directions. When someone asks you, helping someone. Sure, I can help. Agreeing to help. It is not far from here. Encouraging. It is close. Let me think. Pausing to remember. I am not sure. Honest. If you do not know. Sorry, I am not from here. Cannot help. Apologizing. Giving clear directions. Start with go straight or turn right. Clear beginning. Use distances. 2 blocks. 5 minutes. Specific. Use landmarks. At the bank. After the park. Visual references. End with confirmation. You cannot miss it. It is the big building. Reassuring. Complete direction giving. Person. Excuse me. Where is the library? You. Sure. Go straight down this street for about 3 blocks. Turn left at the traffic light. The library is on your right. It is a big red brick building. You cannot miss it. Person. Thank you so much. You are welcome. Good luck. If you do not know, person. How do I get to the airport? You. Sorry, I am not sure. I am not from here, but there is a tourist information office on the next street. They can help you. Person. Okay. Thank you anyway. You. No problem. Good luck. After getting directions, confirm you understood correctly. Confirming directions. So, I go straight and turn left? Repeating back. Did you say 2 blocks or 3 blocks? Clarifying number. It is on the right side. Confirming side. Next to the bank. Confirming landmark. Complete confirmation. Local. Go straight for 2 blocks. Then turn right. The hotel is on your left. Tourist. Okay. So straight for 2 blocks. Then turn right. And is on my left? Local. Yes. Exactly. Tourist. Great. Thank you. Thanking for directions. Thank you so much. Thanks, I appreciate it. Thank you for your help. That is very helpful. Thank you. You are very kind. Thank you. Homework time. Task 1. Draw a simple map of your neighborhood. Write directions in English from your home to 3 different places. Use go straight, turn left, turn right. It is on the left. Next to example. From my home to the supermarket. Go straight for 1 block. Turn right at the corner. The supermarket is on your left, next to the bank. Task 2. Practice giving directions out loud. Choose a place in your home. Explain how to get air from another room. Use direction vocabulary. Task 3. In the comments, give us directions. From your front door to your kitchen. Or from your bedroom to your bathroom. Use English direction words. Example. From my front door to my kitchen. Go straight into the living room. Turn right. Walk past the sofa. The kitchen is on your left. Share your home directions in English. In Lesson 34, we learn weather and small talk. How is the weather? It is sunny. It is raining. Nice day, is not it? You will be able to make small talk, chat with people, discuss the weather, one of the most common conversation topics everywhere. But today you learned directions, how to ask where things are, how to understand directions, how to give directions, how to navigate using English. This is essential for travel, for living in a new place, for finding your way. Practice asking for directions. When you walk around, think about how you would explain the route in English. Go straight, turn left. It is on the right. Make it automatic. Now you will never be lost. You can ask for help. You can find your way. Navigate with confidence. Meow.